I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You should not create multiple Microsoft Rewards accounts to game the system. It's against the service terms and can lead to suspension. Instead, focus on legitimate steps you can take now. Consolidate activity into one verified account, enable two-step verification to protect it, and enroll eligible family members using built-in family settings. Doing this preserves your points and reduces risk. Once done, make sure to document recovery info and link essential services so that you won't lose access later. Now take concrete, allowed actions to boost legitimate earnings. Set Bing as your default search and install Edge for bonus points. Consistently complete daily sets, quizzes, and promotional offers from the Microsoft Rewards dashboard. Link your Xbox and Microsoft Store accounts where eligible to capture additional activity credits. If you have family members, invite them to the family plan so each person can earn on their own account under the rules. These methods scale your rewards without risking penalties. Finish by securing and troubleshooting properly. If you run into suspended points or account flags, contact Microsoft support through official channels and provide requested verification. Do not attempt workaround tactics. Maintain up-to-date recovery options, email, phone, and two-step verification, so you can resolve issues quickly. Make sure family accounts follow policy and use Microsoft's family features for multiple earners. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to stop any questionable behavior and engage support immediately to restore compliant activity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.